Starting a successful newsletter requires a well-thought-out strategy. And the goal is to teach everything needed to know to go from 0 to 10K profit a month within around 6 months. The first step is to find a profitable untapped niche. And this can be done by using tools like ChatGPT to generate a list of 100 niches. It's essential to choose a niche that interests you and has a sizable market. And then use tools like keywords everywhere to analyze the search volume and competition. For example, a niche like digital nomad lifestyle has a high search volume of 90,000 and a growing trend, making it a potential niche to explore. To further research the niche, look at other blogs and websites in the same space, and use their content as inspiration for your newsletter. You can also use tools like Google Trends to see how the market is moving and find opportunities to tap into the market. Once a niche is chosen, the next step is to create high-quality content for the newsletter. This can be done by either writing the content yourself, using a tool like ChatGPT, or hiring a content writer from a website like onlinejobs.ph. Hiring a content writer can be a cost-effective option, with rates starting from $8 per day, and can save a significant amount of time. To get ideas for content, look at other blogs and websites in the niche, and use tools like keywords everywhere to scrape the best keywords and find the best articles. You can also use ChatGPT to generate 100 content blog ideas for your newsletter. Then, use these ideas to write articles or hire a content writer to do it for you. The next step is to create lead magnets to attract readers to your newsletter. This can be done by giving readers something of value in exchange for their email address, such as a free article or a downloadable resource. Facebook ads can be an effective way to promote your lead magnet, and you can use a tool like Canva to create eye-catching ads. For example, you can create an ad that promotes a list of top 10 best hidden gem locations for 2024 travel, and send readers to an article on your newsletter. To monetize your newsletter, you can use various methods such as affiliate marketing, selling your own products, or partnering with sponsors. One way to monetize is through affiliate marketing, where you partner with companies to promote their products and earn a commission on sales. For example, you can promote travel insurance to your audience and earn 15% of the sales. You can also start your own e-commerce store selling products related to your niche, such as backpacks or walking shoes. Another way to monetize is through sponsorships, where you partner with companies to promote their products or services to your audience. You can also use platforms like impact.com to find affiliate marketing opportunities. Additionally, you can use the ad network on Beehiiv to allow companies to advertise in your newsletter. Overall, starting a successful newsletter requires consistent effort, high-quality content, and a well-thought-out strategy. By following these steps and staying committed, it's possible to grow your newsletter to 10K subscribers and achieve significant profits within 6 months.